Hello everyone. Today's topic is very important, especially for law students and future advocates. The duty of a lawyer. Is a lawyer's job only to earn money, or is it something bigger than that? Let's understand this chapter in very simple and clear language. This chapter is written by Robert G. Simmons, a former Chief Justice. He explains that law is not just a profession, it is a service to society, country, and justice. Being a lawyer means you are part of something bigger, the system of justice. Law is a service, not just a profession. The chapter clearly says if you are becoming a lawyer only to earn money, then this profession is not for you. Because law is about serving people, protecting rights, maintaining justice. Money comes later, but duty comes first. Lawyer as an officer of the court. A lawyer is not just a client's representative. A lawyer is also an officer of the court. This means you must respect the court, help in proper administration of justice, maintain honesty and dignity. Your duty is not only towards your client but also towards justice and society. Duty towards client and society. A lawyer has multiple responsibilities. Help the client honestly, do not mislead the court, maintain fairness, protect public trust. A lawyer must balance between client interest, court duty, social responsibility. Understand why of law. One very important idea in this chapter is don't just know what the law is, understand why the law exists. Because what is rule? Why is justice? When you understand the why, you become a better lawyer. Lawyer as a teacher. The chapter says a lawyer is also a teacher of law. This means explain law clearly to clients, help people understand their rights, spread awareness. Law is not only for courtrooms, it is for society. Importance of hard work and preparation. To become a good lawyer, study your cases properly, understand facts deeply, be prepared being going to court. Many cases are lost not because of weak law but because of poor preparation. Continuous learning. Law is always changing. So, a lawyer must keep learning, read books, study ethics, improve skills. A good lawyer never stop learning. Ethics and characters. The chapter strongly focuses on honesty, integrity, discipline, respect for law. Your chapter is your biggest strength as a lawyer. Role in society. Lawyers play an important role in democracy. They protect justice, they support legal system, they help society function properly. Without honest lawyers, justice system becomes weak. The main message of this chapter is law is not just a career, it is a responsibility. A good lawyer works hard, stays honest, understands law deeply, serves society. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe. I will bring more law topics in simple language. Thank you for watching.